man, just ran up on another one, another box Chevy. This one's already been here a while. But here, man, we got a 79. Recently came into the yard. I already took some stuff off her. I took that bumper off. It's got a little bit of damage to her, but you know, still though, this car was actually pretty straight, man. This car was actually pretty straight. The hinges are bitched up on this, but the hood I think is still in nice shape. I don't think nothing's wrong with the hood. I didn't see a dent on it. Yeah, she looks still pretty straight. Like I said, the front end, you know, that grill's messed up. Headlight bezels are gone. So is the bumper. That fender looks good though. I think this door is actually in good shape too. Like, yeah. What was going on here? I don't know. I have no idea. It's weird, man. That's just a little odd to me. Why? I don't get it. Kind of wants to remind me like of at Time Savers, you know. After dark, you know, they got the glass, the bulletproof glass, but that's not bulletproof. This I think was done here in the yard, but I think that's a shallow dent. Well, no. I know you could pop most of it out. It's an Impala. I think they did this in the yard though. This here. To open it up. She's got some damage back there. Can't really tell about this this tail light here. Obviously that one's all bitched up. Check it out, man. The build sheet on this bad boy. Actually, you know what? Here are the here are the what's it called? I'm gonna put them back on just to see how it looks. Just for shits and giggles. How she look? Yeah, man, look at that. It's a lot better. I'm gonna take them back off though, you know. They'll probably fall down and get cracked, you know. Yeah. Like I said, this car is real straight from that side. This car was, look at that, man, recently on the road. Well, at least it was registered up to this point. But here's a cool thing I found on this car. Actually, this car came from, it was built in California. But the one cool thing I saw on this, see that right there? See that? The G81 is like, I think 241 gears, so, you know, that's like highway gears. See that right there, man? G87. That right there, that's the 8.5 rear. Now she doesn't got a G80, so no, we ain't got no posi, but still though, you know, this is the bigger rear end, not the 7.5 that a lot of them came with. You can always tell by that little, it's got like that triangle down at the bottom. The tabs are bigger on the bottom, on each corner of on the bottom where the cover is. But yeah, man, you could put, I wonder, I'm not sure, I'd have to do some research to see if you can put the later, you know, like the Bubble, Caprice, and Roadmaster, because those are easy to find, posis in those, and they're also 8.5s, but they use the 5x5 bolt pattern, whereas this right here would still use a 5x4 3/4. So I wonder if you have to if the axle, the spline count would be the same. Yeah, you gotta do some research. Anyways, still though, you know, it's a stronger rear. Yeah, inside, like I said, that's all that I saw on there, you know. It's dusty, boy. Oof, look at that. Jeez. Nothing there, nothing doing, nada. Headliner sagging. That back panel's all beached up. Like I said, man, I wonder what was the deal with these. Or I guess they probably found this and it already had a hole in it, and then they found that and used that. Oh man, what we got? What we got back here? Oh, you know what? Look at that. Oh man. Oh man, I haven't had a cigarette in years, man. Yeah, look at somebody must have been in here and dropped it. Mason jar. Look at that. Still has that panel right there, man. The bezel. It doesn't appear to be broken. And the original radio. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Heck yeah. Still got the key in it too. Can't really see the mileage on that. It's hard to see. I don't think you can see it. But anything in that hope my phone doesn't die. I'm talking to myself. Oh, there's nothing in here, right? No, nothing in there. Nothing there. There's this panel. Yeah. Like I said, man, this door looks pretty good. And this one does too. Matter of fact, this whole side of the car is actually in good shape. And just as I suspected, my phone, actually the memory was what got full, so I had to delete some old videos. But yeah, this is, like I said, this was the only side that was bad on it right here. Outside of that, look at that. That looks pretty damn straight, man. Looks pretty damn straight. Yes, it does. Damn. So I think all the glass, the front windshield good. I think the front, other than being oh no, she's got it been hit there. The roof looks good. And then under the hood we have some small block, probably 305, I don't know, maybe 350. Well, actually I'd have to, it's probably right on the thing, right? Yeah. You already saw the VIN anyways, I think on the build sheet. It should say here what it is. Did I see it? V8. It is a 305. Yeah, it's a 305. I can see it right there. The LG3, I think. Yeah. Cool deal, though, man. Cool deal. Put that back there. Yeah. So I've got 89, so I think it'd be more of this over here than what I would need. But what I need is nothing on this one. This one, just a quick look at it if you guys want to take a quick gander at it. You know, got the velour. She's already been gone through that. Freaking seats from another vehicle. There's a transmission in there, all beat up. She's all beat up. Look at this. Is that a TV? Is that a freaking TV in there? Yeah, TV. Yeah. Deck lid was okay, and they bitched that up. Yeah. That's got the RPO codes on it, just in case somebody wants to see them. Nothing special that I saw, anyways. Yeah, there's the VIN on it. Yeah. Nothing I need from this one. But yeah, back to this one, man. Like I said, still got some really good parts on her, man. That rear end, man, I'd be tempted on that rear end myself. But yeah. All right, man. On to the next one.